let's do what we came here to do with these kitty couplers on there. So let's zoom in on our workspace and get to it. Take this here off. There we go. All right. Whoop, there goes the cover. All right. So this is the, lost it. This is the old Huck and Horn coupler that was in there. These plastic springs are not the greatest. I do try to upgrade everything I can with Kadee couplers, and I put I usually get the kind that have whiskers on them. Boy, my fingers are big and this part is small. So, there's my tweezers. I'm gonna try something here. I've not done it before, but I'm going to see if, now it doesn't fit over that sleeve thing inside there. So let's put the coupler in place. With my big fingers, I'm probably going to have to use a screwdriver to help hold everything together. There we go. There's that. My granddaughter's only 2. I kind of wish she was able to do this with her tiny fingers. If anybody has a tip on how to install this easier, feel free to post a comment for me, because I could use your help. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that there. The magnetic bar, grabbing hold of my tweezers on me. Slide that under there and over there. Finally, got it. Now with all the YouTube channels out there, I bet there's somebody out there that's got the perfect way to install these, and I've failed to look it up. Slide that on there. How we doing? Looks good. Where's my little screw at? Here's my little screw. Sure, the guys at the hobby shop, if anybody's watching this, they're probably laughing at me, but fortunately I try to keep my ego in check, so if somebody's got to screw it up, at least I'll do it and not be ashamed by it. Maybe I should be, but we all got to learn somehow how to do this. I am on course here. Contact. There we go. All right. Got that in place. And it's installed. Finally. How long did that take me? Like 5-6 minutes? Here's our coupler height gauge. And I can see right now that it's too low, as I expected. So I will drop the other washers in underneath here, and next time you see this, it will be out on the track. I'll update that, put the Kadee coupler in there, and hopefully next time I get this out on the track, it will be running smooth together with its powered unit.